India is a leading producer of natural rubber, contributing 60% of the world's total. With favorable weather and soil conditions, around 8.5 lakh hectares are dedicated to rubber production. Key states include Kerala, Tripura, Assam, and Tamil Nadu. In 2023, India exported over 3.56 thousand metric tons of natural rubber. With 1,192 shipments by 124,000 exporters to 5,054 international buyers, India is making strides but still lags behind top exporters like Thailand and Indonesia. Prominent Indian rubber exporters include MRF Tyres, JK Tyres, Sujan Industries, Rubbermark, and Smart Rubber Corporation. These companies are pivotal in meeting the growing global demand for rubber products. The global market for natural rubber is projected to grow from $16.5 billion in 2024 to $25.2 billion by 2032, at a compound annual growth rate of 4.3%. Major producers include Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam. India's rubber industry is booming, with significant production and export potential. Strategic planning and market insights can help Indian exporters optimize resources and tap into lucrative markets. For detailed data, visit exportimportdata.in.